It is the eve of the first test match between the West Indies and Bangladesh. And right away, the table has been set for the excuses for the West Indies, not just to lose the series, but to get brown-washed by Bangladesh. But let me say this, despite some of the so-called top players opting out of this tour, who are the West Indies really missing? Jason Holder, Darren Bravo, Ruston Chase, and maybe Shamar Brooks. And outside of Holder, with his all-round cricket, his leadership, his bowling, and especially his lower order batting, outside of Holder, this is still pretty much a 70 to 80% West Indies test team. The bowling attack is intact. Some changes to the batting, yes, which is basically 6 and 1 and half dozen of the other. So this grand plan to claim that this is a depleted West Indies team, no matter with it. Any 11 take that field supposed to stand up and fight against Bangladesh, especially the batting. We want to see some of the West Indian batsmen stand up and build some test match innings, play with some personal pride and represent yourselves and your region well. Now, as to whether or not, I personally am willing to bet even $1 on the West Indies holding their own in the series. Not my little COVID money. Not even that. I'll tell you what. You have better bills. You have better bills than one of bills. Yes, you do.